Hi everyone, I am Hasif with my partner Adam. So we are from group F1122. So what our project is? Our project is Clean Sweep, which is empowering domestic waste workers with AI innovation. Okay, now let me introduce you to this person. So this is Mira. She is Malaysian and she works at domestic waste factory. So what's happened to her? Due to the Malaysian person who did not separate their waste, Mira faced tons of unseparated waste daily, and she cannot handle the unseparated waste proper, and she have been to be overworked uh, to separate the domestic waste. So in addition, she got underpaid because in Malaysia people work as garbage men get paid around 2,000 ringgit, and this lead her to stress and emotional burnout.
Hello, I'm Adam and I will be talking about problem statement. First of all, the workers are skeptical and disengaged, which lead them to not properly manage their domestic waste and which cause harm to the environment, which lead to our second problem, which is causes stress and emotional damage to other worker. This way, the worker will not be able to finish their work or do the job efficiently, and they face a lot of pressure. And third of all, no guideline for proper waste management. This will make other people doesn't know how to manage their domestic waste, and which will causes harm to the workplace. And now for the analysis. So first of all, this challenge will be reflected on SDG 11, which is sustainable cities and communities which promote inclusive, safe and sustainable urban waste management, and it will be supported by SDG 12, which is responsibility, consumption and production, and SDG 8, decent work and economic growth. So as we can see from the bar chart, most of the waste in the office is food waste, paper and plastic, which is the majority of the domestic waste we can find in our office. And secondly, if we look at the pie chart, we can see that even factories wasted a lot of food waste and plastic waste, which lead to Malaysian recycling rate remains low and waste separation often ignored.
Based on our problem statement, this is our solution: Clean Sweep. So in Clean Sweep, we have two main features. The first one is recognition and reward system, which is it can motivate the workers through uh, reward ranking based system and offering badges, points, and incentives to the workers. Next, it have smart assistant powered by Gemini AI. Gemini AI. The system available for 24/7, 24/7, which is the the smart assistant is available every time, and it provide the real guidance for the workers for their works, and it can encourage the workers by giving the motivation. So this is our prototype. So for the first login, the first user to have to register and click register and click login, and this is the home page, and we go to the profile page, and this is the smart assistant, and this is the future improvement, which is it can scan the picture. So this is the technology that we use to develop the system. For the front end, we use Flutter. Back end, we use Firebase, and for the uh, database, we use Firestore Firebase, and for the cloud and hosting API, we use Google Cloud Platform (GCP), and for the AI integration, we use Gemini AI.
And now for the impact, we will see the impact on each SDG. So first of all, SDG 11, which is promoting efficient, inclusive and eco-friendly waste management. This way, the cities and the communities will have a better environment and eco-friendly for them to do their daily tasks. Secondly, SDG 12, which is encouraging better recycling and waste separation habits. Clean Sweep is a catalyst which teach the worker or the user to be more thoughtful of their waste and recycle more of their and recycle properly. And lastly, SDG 8, which is improving working condition and motivation for waste worker. This will motivate other worker to be more thoughtful in their action when it comes to managing their waste. And now for the future improvement. So first of all, we might open the application to other users such as the family in the household or other staff in other company. This will encourage more people to recycle, and not only just for the worker in the factory. And second of all, we can use smart bin AI to detect what waste should be thrown in the bin. This will help separating the waste more easier. And lastly, help the government share data to improve waste service in the city. This will help the government know what cities most likely to recycle more or recycle less. That's it from me. That's it from us. Thank you.